Hello students, today we are studying lesson 8, teeth and microbes. Teeth and microbes. Studying teeth and microbes. Last time I told you about the uh, different type of the teeth. I told you temporary teeth, permanent teeth, different type of the teeth. That includes incisor, canine, premolars and the molars, in which I told you the function of different type of teeth. Incisor is meant for biting of the food, canine is meant for the tearing of the food, premolars and molars are used for the grinding of the food. So now today we are going to study the structure of the teeth, structure of the tooth. We have to study one diagram. It is given here. You see that is diagram is given on page number 47. So you can see the diagram from your book. That is the more clear diagram given in your book. So so now you see here, this is the structure of diagram tooth. So you can see more clear diagram from your book. So structure of tooth. A tooth has two parts. Tooth has two parts. One has the crown and other is the root. Crown is the projected. Crown is the part that is visible above the gum. What part of the teeth? We see this part is called the crown, and the part of the teeth which is found inside the gum is called as the root. The root is inside the gums. The root keeps the teeth steady. The crown of each tooth has a coating of enamel of varying thickness. Enamel is the hardest substance in the human. This is the enamel. This is the enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance of our body. It has no effect of the acid, base, and other factors. And if enamel is reduced or injured, in that situation our teeth becomes the sensitive. So now after the enamel, dentine, the dentine, this is dentine which is found just below the enamel. It supports the enamel on the tooth within the dentine. At the center of the crown and the root is the pulp. This is the pulp. In the pulps, nerves are present. Pulps, nerves are present, but enamels do not have the nerves. Pulps having the nerves. So, at the center of the crown and the root is the pulp. The pulp is made of soft tissues and contains blood vessels to supply nutrients to the tooth and nerves to enable the tooth to sense heat and cold. Now tooth decay. Now next on the tooth decay. So you have you understood about the structure of the teeth. It is consists of two parts, one is crown and other is the root. Crown is the projected while root remain embedded into the gums enamel which make the outermost covering of the teeth. This is the hardest substance of our body. Just below the enamel, dentine is present, and below the dentine, pulp is present. Pulp contains the blood vessels and the nerve cells, which makes them the sensitive. So this is about the structure of the tooth. Now tooth decay. What happens if tooth is not properly cared? It starts decaying. And what happens? Teeth are the foundation of our health. So we must look after them properly to save them from decaying. So tooth is a very important part, and we must look after them properly to save them from decaying. There is a space between the every two teeth, and it is called as the crevice. There is a suppose one tooth is there and other is there. This is cavity is called as the crevices. This is this cavity. This is called as the space which is found in between the teeth is called as the crevice. This is called as crevice, and in the crevice, food particles remain, and these food particles attract the microbes. These microbes remain on the food particles which is found in between the teeth, and which causes the decaying of the teeth. So it is necessary to properly brush our teeth before the food and also before the sleeping. When we eat food, Some particles of food get stuck in the crevices. They make them dirty. If we do not clean them properly, germs start growing on them and cause problems. Like what problems may be there? Like bad breath, tooth decay, plaque, and bleeding gums. So in this way, uh, tooth may be decay. So we have to care of the teeth, and how we can care of the teeth. Some points are given. First point, brush your teeth after each meal and before going to the bed. So first, brush your teeth after each meal and before going to bed. Next one, rinse your mouth well after eating. So after eating, properly clean out the teeth, properly wash out the teeth. Avoid having too many sweets, chocolates, and soft drinks. Use a soft, small bristle brush with rounded ends to avoid injuries. Use toothpaste containing fluoride. Fluoride helps prevent tooth decay, and clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner to prevent